Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a Cuisinart cast iron smash burger tool. We just got a griddle and I am like so excited to actually use this on it. But just to kind of give you an idea. So this opens up pretty easy. I think we're gonna tear that side open. And that has got some great weight to it by Cuisinart. Great company. That is a wooden handle, so that will not get hot on you. And yeah, basically you're making your burger, you're putting that down on top on your griddle, and you know you're good to go. So let's go try it out, and we'll be right back. Stay tuned. Okay, so now we have the grill completely seasoned. So smash burgers, what we've done is we basically made them about this size, so kind of like point of reference. Not that I have big hands or anything, but kind of give you an idea. So this is 3 ounces of meat in each burger. And what we did is we took some rolls and we just coated them in butter. Oh, and the smash burgers, salt and pepper is all that we used, and they come out tasting fantastic. So what we do is with the rolls is I set this side up a little bit on the lower side so we don't have them cook too fast and get too toasty. And good thing we have a big surface to put these on. And then the smash burger is basically what we're doing. So what we do with the butter is we just put it into a area, and then we just kind of like spread that around on the grill so we get some butter flavoring. Kind of spread it around a little bit, and then we take each burger and then we put it on the grill, and we use some parchment paper, and that just so it doesn't stick, to the smasher. So we'll put a couple down. We'll just start smashing them. No matter how much I tried seasoning this, it would always tend to stick. So I found this to be the best way to kind of get that done. Basically guaranteed not to stick. That's coming out great. Putting them up here in the corner. Rotate that around a little bit more. That one's a little close to the edge, but alright, so we're done with that. And then we just start flipping them. We'll just let them cook up real quick, and then we start taking the buns off. Get them nice and toasty. They do get hot, so be careful.
Alright. And I think we're just about ready to serve these. We've got one more flip. Okay. Get the last one up there. And this one needs a little more time. Alright, I'm ready to start adding the cheese. How many are getting cheese?
All but 3. How can you just get 6 in there?
I mean, they look okay, right? Huh?
I'm looking at the picture. I just want 3 without cheese.
3 without cheese? I mean, they shrunk up pretty like. I mean, I flattened them out really good. Alright, I think they're good. Alright, now we'll put the cheese on. And we got a couple that are without cheese. Put them right in the buns.
2 plain for one, 1 plain and 1 cheese for another.
Say it again.
2 plain for one, a plain and a cheese for another one, and then everything else.
Doubled up 2 burgers in. Alright, so these are basically done. So I'll put them on. So 2 plain, right? 1 plain and 1 cheese. And then the rest are doubled up with cheese. Alright, that is your quick and easy smash burgers on your Blackstone grill. Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.